Big Six Lesson Introduction. Hi, I am Miss Schoonover, the local librarian, and today's purpose of our lesson is to introduce the Big Six to you. The standards that we're going to be using for this lesson are the state standards for Texas is 3A, create a research plan to guide inquiry. Our Common Core standards are to gather relevant information from multiple print and digital sources, assess the credibility and accuracy of each source, and integrate the information while avoiding plagiarism. Our ISTE standards is 3A. This is where students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual or creative pursuits. In our 2018 AASL standards, we have A43, which is making critical choices about information sources to use. So what is the Big Six? Well, it is a six-stage model to help anyone solve any kind of problems or make decisions by using information. It can be used in everyday situations, from what to pack on vacation, what movie should we see, and then of course anything research project based in school or just finding out information. It can be used for all grade levels and all subjects can use it. For even our younger kids in elementary, we have a three-step program, but it's still the same thing. So it's any level. So it's not just our high school kids that are doing research papers, or it's not just for college students or thesis or doctorate, it is for everybody. And it's not just for our technology classes from when we're looking on the internet or when we're trying to research, or those English language arts classes when you have that English paper due. It is for any class that you have information or that you're looking for information to use to solve a problem or make a decision about something. And our actual technology skills will actually come into handy, and we're not just going to Google things. So all of our technology skill that you learned through those classes will help us determine exactly what we need to do. But first, I would love for you to take a pre-assessment. This is just to where I can see where we need to go, maybe what I need to go a little bit more in depth with, and then hopefully with this, it'll kind of get the juices flowing to figure out what exactly is the Big Six. It'll kind of give you a preview of what's to come. So I would love for you to go to SurveyMonkey and take this 5-question quiz for me, and then we can start from there. So the Big Six is a process that can be applied to anything with information. It's not always done step by step, though. While it's a six-step process, but we can move as we need. We can jump from one to another and come back again. And especially at the very end, when you're evaluating everything, you go back through all the steps that you've done previously. You're going back and forth. You're looking at different sources. How is this going to help you? Maybe you have to go back to the beginning. So we love it because it is 6 steps, but it's not necessarily linear. So you don't have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to leave you with this quote by Eisenberg from 2011. He's one of the gentlemen that kind of helped bring the Big Six to light for everybody. Learning does not happen by chance. It has to be carefully thought out and planned. I hope to see you soon.